Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss on solar panels, choosing the right system for your net zero home. Are you considering solar panels for your net zero home? Choosing the right system is crucial for maximizing energy production. There are several factors to consider when selecting a solar panel system. First, determine how much roof space you have available for installation. Next, calculate your average daily electricity consumption to determine your system size. Consider the efficiency and warranty of the solar panels you choose. Monocrystalline panels are known for their high efficiency and sleek design. Polycrystalline panels are a more affordable option with slightly lower efficiency. Thin film panels are flexible and can be installed on irregular surfaces. The inverter converts the DC electricity produced by the panels to usable AC electricity. Microinverters are great for systems with shading or panels facing different directions. String inverters are a more cost-effective option for systems with consistent sun exposure. Battery storage allows you to store excess energy for use during non-sunny hours. Lithium-ion batteries are the most common choice for solar storage systems. Lead-acid batteries are a more affordable but less efficient option. Estimating the cost per kilowatt-hour can help you budget for your solar panel system. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more discussions on energy-efficient buildings.